Good morning and welcome to B4X. The currency markets moved in a divergent manner most of last week. The US dollar made big moves against the euro as news from Greece regarding their sovereign debt crisis worsened. However, rather stable trading with the US dollar, British pound and Japanese yen was seen. Economic data continues to offer a mixed bag of results from the major economies as they continue to show one step forward and are often followed by a half step backwards. Look for the Greek saga to continue to have its effects on the marketplace as investors ask short-term and long-term questions about the implications. Data today will be very light. Tuesday we'll see speeches by central bank representatives from Europe and the States. On Wednesday, the FOMC will release their monthly monetary policy statement. This could cause some tremors in the currencies if they signal any chances to interest rates in the long term. Have a good day of trading, and thank you very much.